So how'd you rest last night, JP?
What's that word?
How'd you rest? How?
I don't know how.
Excited to meet them and get to know their business and get to know them. This is the third time now, so...
Third time's a charm.
Yes.
How did you rest?
Oh. Okay.
How did you sleep?
Oh yeah, sleep.
Was it a good night?
It's a thing for people.
All I can say, we're excited
Mm-hmm.
to get going.
Excited.
Very excited.
Yeah, can't wait to get Jobman and play at work.
Autumn.
Seeing what it can do for our business. We thought we knew a lot about the business, but there's also a lot we don't know that we need to work on.
Feeling good. Yeah, it's, so far so good.
We've only taken over the business, what was it, 15, 16 months ago, so where I was quite scared coming into knowing that JP was going to ask a lot of these questions and not knowing the answers.
Day one again. This is a new phrase.
Everything's all new for us here, so it's very interesting. Learning lots.
It's been a real eye-opener for us this morning, as JP said, about working on it and not being in it as such, so it's been nice to actually get away from the office.
Scared?
No.
Cool.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
It'll be what it'll be.
Yeah.
So.
No, we're looking forward to it.
Just gotta jump in.
Yep.
It's still day one, lunchtime. It's been probably my favourite one so far. Maybe I say that in every video, but they keep getting better. I'm here with the awesome Brad and Janet, who are super absorbent, if I can use that word, of everything that we're saying and doing and all the mess I'm making on the whiteboard. After lunch, we're going to talk about quoting, the complex and the weird world of quoting. But I'm hoping that as I'm doing this and getting better, I can break it down and make it simpler. So
He's very open and honest.
Yeah, open and honest, willing to tell us if it's not right, but also being really lovely actually, you know, especially via email and stuff and on the phone, and he's always been really pleasant to deal with. We didn't really have any expectations.
We
were
didn't
just
know
sort
what
of-
to expect. This is the first time we've done anything like this.
We learned that we don't know a lot.
100%, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep,
Oh, it's amazing. It's
Yeah?
really good.
Yeah. Feeling, you know?
Big day yesterday.
Yeah, I mean, I
And
am
all the
getting paid for it,
information
I
and
know.
stuff, yeah. All to it.
Yep.
Yeah.
that's right. We always have an idea of how it works, but it's going to be putting it into the program.
In true detail.
It's quite exciting.
grateful that we made the move to get people to come here and that we're able to pull this off and do it so well. What do you want now? It's been a big day. Oh, is that what you wanted to hear?
That's all I wanted to hear. And the video is done. Bang, that's
Bang.
it. That's the full video.